Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create realistic football in Blender. First, let's delete the default cube. Then press Shift A, go to Mesh and add an icosphere. In the tool settings, change the subdivisions to 1. Tap to edit mode. Press Ctrl Shift plus A to bevel the vertices. Adjust the bevel width to around 0.346. Press Alt E and select Extrude individual faces to pull the faces out separately. Press 3 on your keyboard to switch to face selection mode. Hold Alt and click on Face Loops to select these faces. Go to Material tab, click New to create a first material and rename it to white. Then click the plus sign to add another material, rename it to black. And change the color to black. Select this face, press Shift G and choose Area to select all similar faces. Go to the Material tab, select black and click on Assign. Switch to Edge Selection mode. Select this edge, press Shift G, then click on Length to select edges of equal length. Press Shift E and drag your mouse to create those edges. Set the factor to 1. Tap back to Object mode. Go to the Modifiers tab, click Add Modifier and select the Subdivision Surface Modifier. Set the levels to 2 for smoothness. Tap to Edit mode again. Select one face, press Shift G and choose Area to select similarly sized face. Hold Shift and select this face. Shift plus G, select Area. So press period on your keyboard and set the pivot point to individual origins. Press S and scale the selected faces like so. Switch back to Object mode. In the Modifiers tab, add a Cast modifier. Adjust the factor to about 0.81. Move your mouse over the viewport, right-click, and choose Shade Smooth for polish shading. Press Z and select Material Preview to see your football with colors and smooth shade. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you like this video, please leave a like, comment your thoughts, and share it with your friends to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.